Site management and control provide the foundation for the response. The actions taken by the incident commander in the first 10 minutes will usually dictate how the next hour will go. Remember to always be upwind, uphill, and upstream in order to avoid any spreading materials. Upon arrival, we must isolate the scene and deny entry until more information has been gathered. We will achieve this goal by establishing isolation perimeters, which serve as our designated crowd control line surrounding the hazard control zones. The isolation perimeter is the designated crowd control line surrounding the incident scene that is set up to maintain safety and security. The isolation perimeter separates the players from the spectators. The isolation perimeter should be flexible. Big hazards and big risk equal a big isolation area. Next, we need to establish hazard control zones and designate areas at a hazardous materials incident based upon safety and the degree of the hazard. This means the establishment of hot, warm, and cold zones. A hot zone is the control zone immediately surrounding a hazardous materials incident, which extends far enough to prevent adverse effects from releases reaching personnel outside of the zone. It may be oblong in shape, but should cover any area with known or suspected contamination or where foreseeable spread of the incident might occur. Surrounding the hot zone is the warm zone. The warm zone is the control zone at a hazardous materials incident where personnel and equipment decontamination and hot zone support takes place. All movement between the hot zone and the cold zone take place through the corridor of decontamination, which traverses the warm zone. The cold zone, or the area that contains the command post and other support functions necessary to control the incident. It also helps to buffer out the isolation perimeter.